Okay, for those who not subscribe, so you can go to my video, this one, so you can just subscribe it. So as hopefully we have more members to join us in the future. So you can just subscribe, or you can share this channel with your friends. I know many people do stock, they don't do share, huh? So I can understand that. So if you make money, so it's why it's not a problem for you to sharing. So you just need to be aware of how to do stock market trading. So then you can share everything to your friend. Then you have no problem. Okay. As long you have a problem sharing, that will be you are you are you are hidden in the trading world. You see? So nobody know you are doing trading. So okay, so welcome to the channel, and this is still a double volume bullish channel. So the objective is to make you trade like professional. So we want to hit more accurate in the trading. So hopefully everyone can get the what we call it, the uh, profit when you do trading. Okay, so hopefully more people join us in the future, and everyone that can share around. So hopefully that will be happen now in the future. So I just want to share with you today. So today actually is on the 6th already. So on the Monday and Tuesday actually is a turning point. So tomorrow also is a turning point. So tomorrow, you have to know that tomorrow actually is the Good Friday. Yeah. So that will be a turning point. So if okay, so importantly, so you have to know how to read the market. So you have to follow the market movement before you do the trading lah. So that is very important. Yeah. So welcome to everyone. So Vivian, Yam, Johnson, Barry, Sui Eng, we still everyone still here. So and Huat Teo, Gordon, KK. So Lee Bin Hong. Uh, so Alfred, yeah, everyone good evening. So we will go around and start with the main topic today. So is it the growth counter still around? So you can just give me a reply. If yes, why you put it yes. If no, put it no. Mr. Young, yeah, you are back. So there's a main thing that we want to discuss tonight is talking about the growth counter. So whether the club growth counter still surviving. So many people maybe thinking about the counter already end. So many of people that do a little bit of estimation on that and think that this is end already. So and then many people try to go in. So try to join the group of the counter already end. So many. Okay, so one of the member asked how to how to how to go in to know do the YouTube. So you just join. Okay, just join. Okay, so let us vote. So anyone put in the vote already? Let me see. Okay, nobody vote. Oh, very Vivian say yes. Many yes. Okay, yes. Okay. Mr. Tai, yes. Okay. So let me have someone. Okay. Okay, many people missing already because they don't they don't subscribe my YouTube, and then they ask me where to where to find the line a live of the class, is it? So in the sense it's good, so we know who is actually following the class. Okay. Okay, so glove counter. So the main question is people asking about glove counter. Let us go see the Malaysian, the KLSE first. Okay, so we talk about KLSE. So last week I also estimated about how many days the KLSE, if there's going 1 2 3 4 5 and then stagnant here. This is a gap. So I hope everyone still remember that. So if the counter is going down here, so that means that today is tested at the low point. So the low point tested at the one, this is the lowest. So the tested is 1416. So there's a support line on the white line. So you can see that the white line, the average of the BPI is supporting the candlestick. Okay, so tomorrow is a turning point. Remember. So most likely, we say that if you follow a trend, something like this should be green. But if tomorrow is a turning point, and normally Friday will be a selling pressure. If, whether the candle will be going up or down, so it's much depending on the afternoon. So if the afternoon trend, if the morning trend is open high and then afternoon trend will be shot up, then will be better lah. So you can see one of the glove, something like this. So hopefully we can see the Q2 is a better month comparing to the first Q. So as what I said in the previous class, so we hardly see the what we call that, the 3 months bullish and 3 month bearish. So this month still, because the first week is green color, you see. So this few days is red color back. So we estimated this month should be in the bullish month. So after that will be 2 months plus 2 months of the bullish trend, at least 2 months. At least you have this month or next month or next month and the following month. So that will be the trend that we are forecasting. So if you're taking about month chart, you can see that KLSE will be, that is the trend. So you're talking about the week chart. So actually today, this week actually is open a bit higher. So it's like the fourth bearish candle. So still be very strong. Okay, still strong. So try to break away of the white line. So if break away white line, still can stand up here, there will be a good chance for the KLCI. Okay, regardless of KLCI doing well or doing badly, actually you have an opportunity in the market. So let us see what happened to today. So today you can see in the morning, actually many of them, many of the what we call it. Okay, so many of the this sector actually on the bearish side, but in the afternoon, so you can see that the healthcare changing to the green color, construction, industry, and utility. So this is the four counter that already on the green color. But what we say that which one actually give you a more opportunity? You cannot simply go to find one that doesn't give you opportunity. You see, so mainly we want to see that some of the what we call it, the sector is doing better than the other, and then only then we just go into the telco. Whether telco doing good or bad, I'm not sure lah, because today also people and then give me they just try to reach me, and then share with me. Oh, you see Celcom and DG very good, and then early morning they posted to me and can buy Celcom and DG. So after that I just reply lah, thank you very much. Okay, so I don't really look into the this sector. Doesn't mean the sector doesn't give you opportunity, is it? So this is one of them. I really look into it. And then finance and the breed also, I very seldom look into this three sector. So basically I already keep up these three sector. Utility also, I normally this. Okay, plantation, property, healthcare, construction, industry, and consumer, energy and technology. You have plenty of the sector that you can do actually in the stock market. So let us focus on the two two what we call that, two sector today. So of course we look into the property, So because of property actually creating the higher high already. So if you compare to the other sector, so this is quite a strong one. So you can see that this is a breakout on the 3rd of the April. So actually breakout on the previous high. So that means if you look into the KLCI, KLSE, so what happened to the KLSE is when KLSE try to shoot up, so KLCL try to shoot up on the 3rd of the 3rd of the April. So remember so this one people you all have to remember so this is KLCI try to break out at the 3rd of April. So at the same time you look into the what we call it the sector. So property sector already on the 3rd already hitting the previous high and break out. So straight away break out. That means this is very strong sector. So this is a strong sector. However, this strong sector doesn't give you a good opportunity because the DE is not creating the higher higher low here and higher high no only happen here. You see, so it creating the higher high but not higher low. However, this index is following the trend of the DE or DE following the trend of the index. So both of them move concurrently. So if you see here is a high end point, here also high end point, but here doesn't create the high end point. So that means that it's a little bit of divergence happen here. After that, the price going downward. So but the indicator also going downward. So that means at this area here, the actually the fund calculation already give you some confusion. Okay, not because the indicator confused, because of the trading amount and the pricing already determine the movement of the indicator. Therefore you might be seeing that, oh, this is a lower low, so you worry about doing here. But remember, as what I said, you have to target, what you need to target is the upper here, or otherwise you do at the support level, so until here. So this is the thing that many traders doesn't know how to differentiate, you see. So if the KLCI, I repeat again, if the KLSE is hitting the high point, for example here, whether or not they are breakout or not, no problem. So the main issue is you look into the sector that break out. Okay, this give you a better opportunity. Okay, remember this one. So if you want to success, this is some of the key thing that you should put into your note. For example, we look into we go arrange by price yeah. So we go to the pricing, and then we go pick the bit bigger one. So you can see why NH, but it's no volume lah. You buy this one, is all the way up, but no volume. You want to sell also difficult. You want to buy 1 or 2 lot, that's not a problem. So actually you can still very slow. So I think the line should be a bit problem. So whether it's my one or because of the what you call it, the better. Okay, it's still lacking. Okay, lag kakaka. Okay, lag. Okay, now okay. Now okay, right? So we are moving the chart, so you can see Tropicana, MKH, and okay, buka puasa also put this merchant already now. So you can see IOI. Let us see at the IOI property. So you can see IOI property at the 3rd actually is here on the doji, and then on the 4th actually break out the platform. So they showed up 3 days. Okay, that means you have to find something that give you a better reason to buy in. You see, so like Crescendo no need lah. So at the moment, so it's not doing well. But you see, South Malaysia, you want to hit with the banker chip on the bottom reversal. Yes. Okay, this is on the 4th. So 1, 2, 3. So you actually 3 days you get not bad lah. Today 19% already. So you get about 90 over percent. So yesterday yesterday 40%, today 19%. So actually people like Vivian always like this type of stock. So you can actually this is what you have to be aware. As and when KLCI or KLSE hitting the top, okay, KLSE hitting the top, so the top part here, whether or not this KLCI want to break out or not break out doesn't matter, okay, not very important. So many individual trader think that, oh yeah, KLCI not doing well lah, I give up already lah, KLCI not doing well because it hitting the top, go down already, I cannot buy. That's wrong, yeah. So you go to the sector. If the sector is break out, this point, so quickly go to look into the stock, okay, at the bottom reversal or on the top breakout. So on the top, okay, breakout or the bottom reversal. So both of them also can. So those stock like sideways for a long time, and all of a sudden this day they go like this. Okay, this one you can just buy in. So no call buy and call sell. So later people go report, and then you all have to change channel again. Okay, so many people missing already, so you change channel. To me, I am not a problem. Yeah. So there is no call buy and call sell. I remember. So no call buy and call sell. Okay, so you can see the echo wall is the same. So on the third here, so you can see on the third and the fourth, then still are doing quite good, well lah. So you want to do stock trading, you have to be aware where actually your golden buying point. Okay, this is some of the stock that I want to show you. So we come back to the sector that we want to cover tonight. So we focus on the sector of the healthcare, technology also can if we have time. Okay, we're talking about the healthcare. So you can see that this chart I drew quite some time ago. So not today, so quite some time ago. So the sector itself actually on this line. So this tunnel. So we call it the channel. So uptrend channel is still there. So it's just a time in when want to break out all this point only. So as long as the point is break out, so of course you can see the better chance of this sector. So you can see that this changing red today, and then one green, and today is red color. Hopefully, we say hopefully with the indicator showing here red, then continue red for a few more days. So if there is a forecast, we can forecast that Q2 we have 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Okay, 1 to 3 months. So if not April, then May, and then June. So I can foresee this 3 months, 2 months out of 3 give you a better trading market. Okay, so it give you a better market to trade. So at the moment, so we can see that the healthcare is still hanging here. So try to break out this line. So triple eight, so we call it triple eight. If you can break out the triple eight, then of course everyone happy. You see, you like triple eight, you keying triple eight in the chat room. So this is the 885, so I put it a triple eight. So if you like it, we're talking about if the price can hit this level and break out, they will be the best for you, for me also. So I estimated is like triple eight. Okay, so we're talking about 888. So if we can break out 888 points, so whoever already in the market for the healthcare, you will get another how many 10 to 50% of the margin. So you can see that later we can go do calculation on that. Okay, so that will be the healthcare market. Okay, if healthcare comparing to KLSE, so what happened is KLCI, we can see out here is actually both of them doing the different direction already. So you put like this, so that's why you have to buy 2 software. See? So buy 1 software not enough, you buy 2. Okay, you can see this one is going down, this one going up. So that means that both of them doing the different direction already. Okay, so 2 platform. So we have many platform, 1, 2, and then 3, and then 4. We have 4 platform. You see. So I have actually I have more than that lah. So I don't know how how many you want to use. I get 2 this one, and I got 2 this one, 2 this one. I got 6 platform. Okay, so I have a 6 platform to use to to do investment, you see, in the stock market. So you have to learn to get more platform, you see. So buy more platform. Okay. So somebody can laugh. So you see this is a different direction already. So that means that 2 of them is going to a different direction. Okay, if the KLCI is going down, this sector is going up better. Why is better? You see, when you listen to a class, you say, oh, I need to have a the KLCI going up, I need to have a sector going up, I need to have a this stock going up, only can buy. Doesn't mean that you have to go to the bull market only you buy. So this is what we're talking about, bull market, you see. So currently we know that the market is something like this. Okay, no problem. We just look for the sector that is bull and the stock is bull, then enough. So what we target is we target these two. We cannot target this anymore because we don't foresee that the KLCI will give you a very bull market. Okay, so this only thing that we want to look for the sector that perform better than the outperform the KLCI. Then you can have a chance to buy in. Okay, so in this area, if you look into let's say 15 minutes, yeah. So 15 minutes there's no banker chip, so you can look into the smallest. 5 minutes there's a banker chip, so banker chip is here. So this is on the sector, so it's break out already. So break up somehow also sitting somewhere here, so it should up again. So here doesn't have the banker chip, so the last banker chip is here. So on the 5th of the April, so that will be the if yeah, so you can have this one. So this is the thing that you have to be aware. So we can see that, okay, we look back to 60 minutes, doesn't have, so only at the 5-minute chart. Okay, that's good enough already. So after that, we go look into the sample stock that whichever is doing well today. You can see that, oh, many of the still jump here and jump there. Okay, so this is not so chart like this we cannot do. Okay, whoever have the help K for the K plus, for example, so I draw a line here, so you quickly go snap it. Okay, this is a K plus. K plus still waiting for the breakout on this level. So if successful to break out at this level, your K plus, not my K plus, so I didn't do K plus this time, so I do the other stock. So your K plus probably will go into until 43 cents. So if you want to easily do it, I can change to a MACD lah. So MACD is quite simple, you can see here. So the price is sitting somewhere here. So it probably we can say that you have the margin gap like, okay, 40 cents from now. So this is a 40 cents. So at the moment it's a 35 cents. So you buy a stock market, actually a stock, actually you can have until here 45 So you are 10 cents over 35. Remember, so your margin gap you have a 10 cents over 35. So what is the percentage? You go count yourself. So this is 35 cents. So let's say you buy a 35 cent break out this area. So what you need to do is you remember you have the 10 cent out of 35. So what is the percentage? You need to you need to bring a calculator and count. You see? So if you don't have, I can use this one for you. So 0.1 divided by 0.365 so we can have about 28%. Okay, so about 30% gap for you, the margin gap for you to get the money. Okay, from here. So it's quite easy So if you don't know how to count, you have to look for something that you comfortably know where's the market end by then. So you use DE also can. So you don't use other indicator, you can use DE as well. So you can estimate somewhere here. Look into the candlestick and look into your indicator where actually end. Okay, so if this is a breakdown and then I'm here also breakdown, so this is maybe is the best case scenario for you to put on the resistance level at the current stock. So if this is happen, for example, if this is happen, when should buy? That's a question people will ask, is it? When should I buy? Is it? So something like this. So what should I do? So you can see that the candlestick, actually the pattern already changed already. So from the one pay, today change already. One day before the change, the what you call it, the turning point, actually today they change already. So tomorrow, if this stock tomorrow sitting on the top here, meaning the trend already changing already. So tomorrow sitting at this top, actually that's a good time to buying. So and if the morning go like this, then better lah, open high and then go down again and then shoot up again. So like one of the stock today, somebody get money, get a very good income today. So I don't know how much he sell out. So today is a very good trend. For example, in the early morning, you look into it, and then the price open up and going down and go golden triangle here. Not Bermuda. This is called golden triangle. So you put in money, buy. So midday, actually you a bit of this heart attack lah. So because the price going down and then after that should up again. So don't worry so much. Okay, on the trading. So after you buy, you see the morning. So you buy somewhere here, actually you make about how many? 15% on the day. Okay. Somebody I know somebody bought it, but I don't know how much she made lah. So hopefully she made a lot. Okay. So the technique is very important. So for example, today not a buying. Okay, because today go up, go down, go up, go down. So you look in the chart also very difficult. You see? So go up, go down, I don't like lah. So doesn't mean that you cannot buy. You see? But I don't like this type of not my preference. Okay. So if the chart like this, I won't buy one. So it's not my preference. Okay. So I only choosing the chart if this morning open like this and then going down and then going up. So I will buy at this type of chart only. So I particularly look into this type of chart only. Okay. So there is a K plus. So you can see that here, 41 cent. You can have from here to here is 64%. So you can see this is how many percent, about 20-30%. So you can take some time to make a drawing. After you analyze your stock, you actually should do some analyze. You don't wait until the price going up or going down. So you should do where actually you should sell the stock or should keep the stock. Okay, LYC we don't want to look into. Okay, Aventa is one of the slowest among the group. The red color also very little, but doesn't mean that Aventa is not good. Only the volume is not really interesting. Okay, so if you want to trade, don't look into this type of stock lah. So Pharma we skip it. Okay, Top Growth. Okay, many people like Top Growth, including myself also. I like Top Growth. Okay, so Top Growth today red color is started already. So by the turning point of the day tomorrow, this stock should be break out tomorrow if there is a trend for the continuous trend that we are talking about. You put here also the red color. Okay, even though the momentum become stronger already. So the momentum becomes stronger. Okay, the momentum become bigger. So it's already out of the top here already. So if there is a few days upward, that means tomorrow should be break out. Okay, on the 1.10. So 1.10. So 1.10 somewhere here. So probably this is the thing that they want to clear. The previous 1.01 3 million in already out already. So already somebody already sell it out to them. So this few days they try to accumulate more chip from those having 1.01 the day that the 3 million come in and then the price down. Okay, so this is the important thing that you have to analyze when you do stock trading. You have to know when actually where is the very strong resistance and support level. So if this tomorrow can go estimated go to 1.4. So if the price go 1.4 from 1, that means that there's a gap of 40% up. Okay, of course in the middle got something like this, there will be a little bit of resistance, but we don't see the resistance level is something like this. This is a strong one. Okay, very strong resistance level. So this box also I draw very long time ago. So I draw very long time ago. So this is about 1 month plus already. I put the box here. So of course the software cannot extend to the few month back lah. If can, I want to draw until here, is it? So this can't. So you cannot do that. So that is stock growth. If you interested in stock growth, KPJ all the time is still doing well. So if you want to have a what we call it consistent 0.01% per day, I mean KPJ is a good choice. So you can slowly make money. Okay, Supermax, yeah. Supermax this time around, I said many times, this is one of the few having the bottom deviation. Okay, so today also try very hard on the 9.5. So 9.5, 9.7, this is a very difficult position for the stock to push up. So they try very hard at this level. So probably this level they want to collect some chip from this guy who is stuck there. So force them to sell at the loss. Okay, force them to sell at the loss. So if they see that, oh, the price going to 950, but they are actually on the 9.8 something. Okay, 9.8 something, 9.2 something. So until 9.7 so those people who are at the 9.7, they might sell it out, so they lost the money again. So that's how the game are, you see. So these people, you can see these people about $1 ringgit price, so they might be selling off because they waited from last June until now. It's almost 1 year already. So that means that it's very strong on the holding to sell, you see. So the people want to sell is more than people want to buy at the moment. That's one thing. Second thing, the big boy actually want to collect more chip at the cheaper price at this level, you see. So they buy here, they want a cheaper price. At least they have a 2 bit, 3 bit, so they can make money, you see. So when they go shoot up here 40% plus 2 bit, that's their target. Okay, so if you want to look into the indicator, actually the first this top graph is on the indicator is doing faster than the Supermax. So Supermax, the TE is red color, but the DE is still a green color, you see. So although the MCD P chip is still there, still shoot up a little bit, and then the line still like down this is a downward turning, something like that. So today is a bit like on the same line already. So this is how many? This is 42 point. Oh, I cannot see from here. Sorry. So I want to point here. This is 42.258. You see. So the average line you cannot see from here. So you can have to see from the end of day data. So we can see that the line is a bit like on the flat, but a bit hopefully tomorrow will be changing to upward turning. So if upward turning, then will be the price will be shoot up already. Okay, so nothing much on the Supermax. You want to follow the Supermax, that's the gap that you can look for. So this is 1.2. So 1.2. So at the moment it's 90 something. So it's about 20% of the area of value that you want to trade. Okay, so that's what we call the when you're trading, you have to be very very clear. This is the 20% that area of value that I want to trade. Okay, you can make 10%, then better lah. Okay, so the area of value, that how you determine, is very important, you see. So if one day tomorrow if we increase like 10%, then you have only 10% left, you see. So tomorrow you have to be, you want to trade tomorrow on this counter, you have to be on the morning side. You have to actually look into the chart already. Okay, so after that we go to few more Hata. Hatta Lega. Hatta is one of the stock quite early, so movement. So I also draw some resistance level here. It can go until here, two ringgit and 20 cent. So there will be the margin gap for this time if this is a breakout. So at the Hatta Lega, actually you buy at the support. So you buy at the resistance doesn't give you a better room, not big enough for the buying. Okay, not big enough. So Kosan also same. So I didn't draw Kosan. So Kosan actually break out the previous high already. So this is the previous high, break out, and then still going upward trending. The trend is still upward, is it? So you have to very careful and look into where actually will be end in the future. For example, end here. So the 1.6 area. So you have a 30 cent from 1 ringgit 30 to 1 ringgit 40 cent when you do investment. So you have to very clear by your when you do investment, you know what is the return of the investment. That's what we call the ROI. Return of investment is very important, is it? So to know the ROI, you to know the area of value. So you don't know area of value, very hard for you to determine your return of investment. So if you have 20% of the area of value, so your ROI should be fall within 20%, 10 to 20%. So this is the return of investment we are talking about. So if you don't have this type of the mentality, you have to pick it up lah. So it's not late for you to pick it up. Okay. So on the indicator side, Hatta show you a different trend. So the trend is okay. Trend expert is doing okay, but the green color is still green, but the MCD is like downward turning on the average line on the MA. So but the red color is reducing. So for the Kosan, so not Hatta. So for the Kosan. Okay, so that is a Kosan. So we go through who else in the not in the list. So we have a comfort glove. So they are throw comfort glove to the other side of the wall already. So you have to find it back. So comfort glove is not one of the strong one. So it's very weak. Okay, so we're talking about Hexstar Healthcare. I think Hexstar Healthcare. 7803 easy lah. Okay, 7 Hexstar okay, also the same. So in the previous I said if this stock want to reverse go down, so it retrace a bit or reversal a bit, so will be until 285. So if they not tested 285, meaning that the price is still showing you the uptrend at the short term. So it's show you uptrend of the short term. So this is a very strong resistance level. So previously I draw this line before the candle come out. Okay, so this is the very strong resistance area. So if you want to break out this resistance area, that means that they have to test a few more time. So if this time they test already, people don't want to sell, they have to go down a little bit and test again. So if these people also don't want to sell, they go down again, they test again. So they have to test few more time. So if they test few time, they don't want already, they just keep it here. So they want to play a game like who actually can last longer in this type of game. So if you cannot last longer, so how long is it? They can hold 1 day, 1 year to 1 day lah. They can hold 1 day to 10 years. So you may be putting your money here 10 years on the sideways, so you will think twice. Okay, I sell it to you lah. So after you sell it to them, they got enough already, they shoot up. Okay, that's depending now who actually want to let go the chip to the main force or the big brother. So this is the thing that you have to be really understand when you do trading. Okay, so if you don't, okay, you have to very difficult to in the stock market to make money. Okay, so I cover up a little bit on the graph. Okay, before that we stop a while and then we go see what happened to US first. Okay, so Nasdaq. So we're talking about Nasdaq. Yeah, so You look into the index on Nasdaq, it's going back to the this area. So today the what we call it, the market just open low, so open low and very slow. So normally very fast one, so very slow. So it's a very slow day. So hitting the resistance. So if this is a 3 days retrace, then we'll be seeing tomorrow night will be going up again. So that will be a trend of the what we call it, the US. If not, this is the double top already, so the trend will be going down. So hopefully it doesn't create a new low. So this is the news. This is the Nasdaq. So if you look into the some of the IT stock today, sure down. The big one show down. So for example, Tesla. Okay, I draw Tesla for this box and then I lock it for a long time. You see. So we put a cash here and then the price doesn't move very good. You see. So what happened? People saying that why it's like that? I didn't get any news. So I just use my technical knowledge to do it. Okay. So if you want to trade at the 129, of course you can sell at this level. After you sell, you buy this level and then you sell this level. Actually, you trade one time and two times, so you make two time money. Okay, this is the first time, this is the second time. So how you know, how I know the price that will be sitting here for some time? So we just draw a box. How to draw a box? Actually, I draw a box on this day, on the 3rd of February. So this is the already 2 months already. So I extended the box from here to here. After that, I extended the box. So now it's the same. So you can just continue the box. So this is what we call the stock putting on the sideway. So the next one you have a very important is this lower part cannot be creating the new low. Swing low, but you cannot swing lower than this point. Okay, so that is for Tesla. So for those who rich enough to buy Tesla, so you can see what is the price movement of the Tesla. So we're also talking about Meta. Okay, Meta, one of them is quite good. So we're talking about Meta. Meta actually moving very slow, but it's still steady uptrend. So Meta will be the next this fortune. Also after they banned TikTok, Meta got a good news. Okay, you see, Meta good news. So I said it before, and then I get banned. After I say it, I don't know which one I say lah. After I get banned. Okay, so you talk too accurate also cannot. So that's why I know we have to tell not accurate. Sometimes you have to learn how to do your own analysis. You see, same happened to Intel. So Intel also I draw a box quite early already. So this is the box. You want to trade Intel also same. So buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here. So you buy here, no need to sell. So you can keep it until now. So you trade one time, two time, three time. So you can trade three time. Okay. Otherwise you trade one time also can. You buy here until here. So one time. So it depending what is your strategy. You see, you want to buy and sell, or you don't like to buy and sell. As long you hit one market that like something like this, you can hold very long. Okay. So for Intel also very strong. So because of the what we call it, the semiconductor chip egg. So you can see that this is also going up lah. For those who just joined the business, okay, on the trading, so this is the wrong one. So this one because the US have one of the backup data and then one of the real data, so they forgot to turn off this one, so the both data going at the same time. So people go to put it very high and then buy at a very high because the what we call it, the data is a mess up already. So you can see before opening they can buy already. So actually this is a backup data problem. So this candlestick so happen to many of the stock in US. Okay. 动态可以 save drawing can. Okay. You can save, you can draw like this. Okay, you draw a box, you see, but the drawing is not nice. This is a save line drawing. So this is a save button, you can press it. Okay, so done. So this is done. You can type word also. You want to type, okay, you can type any word for example you buy here okay. Okay, buy, 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 buy. You can just save it. So the wood is there. So for example, this is a buy area. Okay. So love mommy. Okay. So I give you answer your question. Yeah. So after that, like company like Intel, Amazon, and Advanced Microchip and Taiwan Microchip, all this is the key thing that actually people look into it at this moment. Okay, at this moment. So actually the key stock that people look into it, very famous and they are very strong stock at the moment. So we look into the New York Stock Exchange. So you can see that the New York Stock Exchange actually hitting the previous high as well. Before the previous high drop already. So this is very difficult to look into it lah. However, what I said just now is you don't have the very long, mid-long business, but you have a short-term investment. So what you need to look into is you look for the stock that break out already. So and then you look for the stock already break out. So this is the criteria that you actually have to focus on this type of trend. Okay, you look into their sector and then you go look carefully which type of the stock that you want to trade. Okay, so we go back to Singapore. So before this month, last month I also talked about the 200 billion 200 billion. Okay, 200 billion dollars moving away from Wall Street and the US bank. So moving to where? Moving to Singapore and Hong Kong. Okay, Singapore and Hong Kong. So somewhere around this area. So moving away to Singapore and Hong Kong. So this money belong to who? I don't know. So I didn't make it clear. I don't know. So we only know that there's the moving funds out from US to Singapore. Okay, they want to store the money in Singapore. Therefore, that you can see this STI index shoot up. Okay, shoot up because too many fund coming already. So where to buy? Buy stock lah. So you cannot be putting a fixed deposit. You see? So buy stock. So the stock maybe doing well. So shoot up already. So many stock, yeah, you can look into it in Singapore, but all of them is probably is a big group. So people will buy at the big group. Okay. After that, we look into Hong Kong as well. So Hong Kong market quite similar with Singapore that day. So here also a little bit shoot up, but Hong Kong market is already showing the downtrend already. So you put in the DE or you put in the Homely indicator, for example DE also at the moment. Okay, it's going down already. So already showing the lower become lower. So the higher high is here. So as long the higher high is here, the price doesn't shoot up, then you have to be extra careful. So probably the next trend will be going down green a bit and then red. So this price also something like this. So they might form a this what we call sideways, or they will form a downtrend. So most likely will be like this. Okay, so the trend will be like this. So you want to trade Hong Kong market also can, because at the moment the China already open, so it's a little bit of the fundamental side. So give me a bit better market to trade. Okay, so the rest of market you can look into yourself. So hopefully you have a bit idea at the moment. So KLSE or KLCI at the moment is like this. Okay, so going down something like this. So what you need in the sector, you have to sector something like this. Okay, this is your target point. So what you need to have your stock, that is important. So your stock must be at least on the higher position. Okay, otherwise you have to hit the higher low first. So what you need to do is you can do at the support and sell at the resistance, or you want to wait for the breakout and then you buy also can. Okay, so take one example like Infomina. Okay, Infomina, you see, for example Infomina, so the higher price is here. So this candlestick is breakout and then it's a jump gap, one gap. Okay, gap up. So gap up position. So gap up position. Okay, this is a higher low. So this is higher low, no problem. So we change it to the TE. So TE also here 1 2 3. Okay, number 4 one breakout. Okay, number 3 not breakout. Okay, number 3 just on the same day. Okay, so in the afternoon actually you can buy. It's a double volume. Okay, so there's many thing that you have to look into it. For example, this is the higher point, so you can see that it's slightly same or breakout. So this is a double volume. Only you can buy in the double volume. So you want to buy those stock you want to break out, you can try like this. Okay, so this is the crossing price, break out the crossing price. Okay, break out the crossing price. So this is the crossing price, break out the higher price. Okay, so this is important. So which one you want to follow, that will be good for you. So somebody also make money. I know somebody make money from here now. So remember the pattern also I push out. So this stock like to be forming a pattern like something like this. Okay, something like this. So after that the trend will be a bit of sideways. So today also like to show sideways position. This one sideways position. So this is a bit down. So also what they do is they try to increase it in the 3 days and then going sideways and then push up again. Okay, so how many times they push out we don't know. Okay, but what I know is this is a good trend to try. Okay, so you have to look into the trend, what we call it, the how to use this indicator wisely. For example, here also. Okay, you can see the middle, the MA line is moving uptrend, upward turning. Okay, so here also the red color also increasing, so they give you a better opportunity to make money. Okay, so the next one, for example, this one unit trade. Okay, unit trade also you can see that the trend will go downtrend, the MA is downtrend, the red color is down, so don't buy, don't try. So what you need to do is you wait for at least 3 months. So from here until here. So this is March, April, May. So at least you look into the end of the May. See? So I don't think, to me, I will estimate minimum 3 months, 3 month chart. Okay, if 3 months is the down, the what we call it, the sideways, so breakout, actually that's good. Okay, so that's very strong and good. So this one you see, this is different. So this one is a higher here, straight away breakout. Okay, from here you want to see the higher point is January. Okay, until here also April. Okay, January. Remember January 17, January, February, March, April. So April on the 6th, the stock breakout already. Okay, it's almost 3 months. Okay, we're talking about time and space that you have to away when you do trading. Okay, so we have a couple of minutes more. So if you have a question or you have the stock want to diagnose, put your code name, put your code, and you put your position, want to buy, want to sell, or want to hold, or you buy at what price. Okay, if you want to sell, you sell at what price. Okay, very fast. Buy today. Okay, wow, so many people think that stock market is so easy. Okay, how come so many zero? You buy zero. Okay, you buy this stock today. Okay, so this is the stock that break out. So you see, so this is the stock you break out, you buy today. So you can see how long is it. This is on the January. Okay, so it's about 3 months. Okay, just about 3 months. Okay, what you need to do is when you buy this today, so what is the next one is you want to look into the support level. Okay, where actually the support level end. So the support level will be end this area. So if you think that because you don't have the resistance level on the top already, so this is the two support level you have to be awake. So if you buy today is star. Okay, doji, if tomorrow go up again, congratulations to you lah. If the tomorrow sideways, so you have to be Remember, so this is like 1 bit, 2 bit stock, 1 2 bit stock. So we don't really like a bit stock. We want a stock movement like this one. Okay, so no problem. You buy it and then you just keep it until now. Okay, tomorrow so you can look into it. So not so fast, so the price is like moving somewhere this area. So you have to remember. So other than that, all the indicators still strong and good. Okay, you can see that from here. I put in more indicator for you to see. Okay, the TE. Okay, you buy today, you buy at the wrong time. Okay, Lee Bi Hong. You come to class, you know why I said today is the wrong timing. Because you only can buy at this time if you break out on the third day. On the fourth day, you don't buy. Okay, so you want to buy this stock, you buy at the wrong timing today. So you are chasing the price. Okay, probably yesterday you see this one big one. Today you want to look into it. So I guess that this. So today price also very difficult. So today it's open the same one, going down, not shooting up. Okay, so please take note all this this item. So in the morning it sell going down a bit, going up. Okay, doesn't break out the previous day pricing. So you want to buy stock, you have to park at this price. Okay, if the price doesn't shoot up this area, don't buy. Do not buy. Okay, so that is for Lee Bi Hong, Thai Poke, Mr. Thai. So 8966. So this is very famous. Okay, so this is also 1 2 bit stock. So this stock you want to hold from where you hold until where. So actually already break down the previous resistance already. So you want to sell the previous one, price should be somewhere here lah. Okay, if today you want to sell very low, I don't know where you buy, but this is not a good trend anymore. So even though this is gap up and going down, hopefully this gap stay. Okay, if the next trend moving like this, and then at this point you should take money and go. Okay, if the trend is something like this, hitting this, okay, you should take money and go. Okay, don't keep so long because the trend doesn't give you a better opportunity. For example, we're talking about this level, this level. Okay, okay, if this is the level that you're talking about, we will go look into the price. So we go look into the price here. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, if a price if this time bottom reversal shoot up, doesn't break out 50 cent, if the price retrace, just take the money and go. Okay, so very clear. So Chan Keng Fund. Okay, what till 9954. Okay, IGT. Okay, so IGT you buy at 0.305. Okay, wow, I think you are very I don't know how you chase. Okay, so as long as the DE become higher, you just shoot in. So this is a problem with you. If you want to trade, you see this is a red color. So if I can pay bigger for you, bigger for you, this is a red color. It's red. So you want to buy, at least the price should be somewhere here. Okay, you see this candlestick, meaning that 2 days ago, 2 days plus today and then 2 days. So you will buy this red color. Okay, you buy the red color or you don't buy. Okay, so we're talking about one line straight philosophy is very important. You see, one line down. Okay, you want to see the indicator is one line, so straight down. So if you buy at the 305, you never follow any you only follow the DE, but you never follow TE and MCD to buy stock. Okay, so okay or not, I don't know lah. So that's what I tell you. the stock is not really look into the good shape. Okay. Okay, 0117. So what you want to do? I don't know what you want to do. Summon Fu. I don't know what you want to do. You want to buy, you want to sell, you want to keep. Okay. This is already double top, triple top trend. So if my advice is you want to listen, you just take money and go. Okay. So if today this time they want to rebound, they rebound until here. The margin is so small. Okay, this is creating the stronger movement of pull out the fund already. So this is one, this is two, this is three. Okay, so you can see that the top division already happened already. So behind will be like this, or behind will be like this. The what we call it, the possibility is higher. So this is a possibility is the lowest. Okay, low, medium, high. Okay, probably we saw end of the long-term trend already. Okay, so this is how if you make money, think how to exit from the market. Okay, what else you want to know? Okay, you can just type it. Okay, if not, we want to end our live today. Okay, I see you next Tuesday on the on the 9:30 p.m. so you can just forward to more friends and join me. Okay, so we can have more stock that you can review with it. So you can somebody like this. Okay, I text morning text already and then buy in and then make money. Okay, yesterday also make money, today also make money, so every day can make money. Yesterday I don't know how the trend look alike, but I also can make money. Okay, yeah, tomorrow, yesterday still okay lah. So going down a little bit and buy and make money and run away. Okay, still okay. Yesterday also make money. Drop below the average line, quickly sell. First time, second time, quickly sell, then make money. Okay. Okay, thank you very much and good night to everyone. Hopefully we have more people and we can have a better cover on the next time. Thank you very much and good night.